Hey YouTube, it's Cookie Cakes 83 here today, and I made a video a little while ago at this candy store, and here's me in there. My hair is up to the water park today, and yeah, I put it up. So, and I just hit a bunch of umbrellas. But yeah, I made one at the candy place, but we're at the Rainforest Cafe right now. Here are some of the fish that are there. There's like fish right there. There's fish everywhere. There's a huge fish. There's a really big fish. And there's like a bunch of fish even. There's a lot. There's a lot. It's really. I'm getting that shirt right there. This is Rainforest Cafe. So cool. Stay cool, Rainforest Cafe. Cool. Cute. So, oh, and there's a bunch of the animals with like the felt leaf skin. It says Baby Rainforest Cafe, even. But yeah. Oh, it's one of these like jiggle things. Jiggle buddies, whatever you want to call them. They like slide out your hands. See? Don't monkey with me. There's me in there. Oh, there's more stuff over there. Yeah, it's just really cool. And this is the largest mall, Illinois' largest mall, apparently. The mall is actually closed, but people are allowed to stay until like 9 or 10 o'clock. Oh, there's a tarantula pig. There's a shark. So, there's Peace, Love, Frogs. We have that cover home. There's the Rainforest Cafe, a bunch of this stuff. There's like dog toys. Yeah, it's just, it's a lot of fun. I need 51 cents. Oh! So, yeah, big elephant. So, yeah. Dolphins. So, yeah, well, I'm gonna go now because, you know, oh, there's a big fly over there. I'm gonna go now because I'm like randomly talking to an iPod in a restaurant store, so I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, alright, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.